Well, I'd like to welcome Shirley Witt here today with, of course, the Florence Sylvester Memorial Senior Center. And her guest today is someone who has helped sponsor their wonderful casino night, and that is Lori Laporte, and she is of Easy Living Home Care. You've been on before, so welcome back.
Thank you.
And of course, well, you've been on many times.
Good morning. How
yes,
are you?
Good to see you back here today. And of course, casino night is happening this Saturday over at the Florence Sylvester.
That's right.
Yeah.
And we're very happy to have Lori and her company, Easy Living, sponsoring. She's been our sponsor for several years, so thank you, Lori.
Yes.
I appreciate that very much. So, yes, please, you know, the Senior Center is an integral part of this community, as everyone knows. We're a nonprofit agency with Age-Well Senior Services, so we have to raise some money to keep the doors open. So this is our big fundraiser, our casino night. It's a Western theme this year. So Lori's going to wear her chaps and her boots and hopefully a couple other things.
Yeah. Now, how long has casino night been?
This is our 20th.
Wow.
This is our 20th year. So,
Yeah.
so we're very proud. And you know, it's a very casual, fun evening. And you come and if it's you pay $25 to get in and you get $100 play money. But if you wear a Western theme, you get an extra $25 to start your night.
So there you go.
So there you go. That's it right there.
Yeah.
So it's a nice evening, the fun games and.
Yeah, you got a lot of games.
We have
going on.
We have a lot of games. We have refreshments, but the most important, we have wonderful raffle prizes.
Right.
And the best part is all the money goes towards the programming of the senior center.
Yeah, which is really great. So tell me about Easy Living Home Care.
Well, Easy Living Home Care is a non-medical in-home care company, and the main purpose is to keep the seniors in their home where they're the happiest.
Which is important.
It's very important. And we do everything for them, from light housekeeping to personal care, to take them to appointments while we wait. And another service we just started was housekeeping. We have caregivers specifically trained to do housekeeping in the seniors' home. A lot of times they want a little more than what we offer because our caregivers just do light housekeeping. So we hired housekeepers that are licensed, they're bonded. We have workman's comp on them as well.
Great.
Yes.
That's really good.
So they go in and they clean. Our cleaning crew is amazing. I've had great reviews about the services that they perform.
I have to ask you, can somebody just get housekeeping?
Yes.
Because I know Shirley's been looking for that for a long time.
Absolutely, Shirley.
Actually, Shirley's husband.
Sign me up. Sign me up right now.
Yes. And it's been popular. The housekeeping has been very popular.
Yeah. So you can just get housekeeping?
You can. You can just get housekeeping. And like I said, we're licensed and workman's comp and bonded. So if anything breaks, we pay for it.
Oh, that's great.
But that hasn't happened yet.
No, that hasn't. But that's good to know. I didn't know you could do that. So
we can, yeah.
And you don't have to be a senior or anything to get housekeeping.
No, you don't have to be a senior.
No, their company.
We'll keep that on our list.
Yes.
You know, the one thing about the senior center is we vet people who come in there, and Lori's agency is. We refer to them all the time. They're wonderful. They have great reviews, and now I'm going to get a housekeeper.
There you go, Shirley.
And this is your third year with Casino Night?
Yes, third year. And we've been in business for 10 years. So, but we love Casino Night. We love it.
Yeah. And so, as a sponsor, are you setting up like one of the raffle prizes, that kind of a thing?
We have a raffle prize, yes, and we contribute. We're a sponsor. We contribute monetarily, and we also go there and support Casino Night. Yeah. We play the games and
a lot of fun.
Have a lot of fun.
Yes.
She brings her friends, and they're at the loud table.
Yes, the loud ones.
And as far as the raffle prizes go, is it one of those things where you have them all set up and people have their tickets and you put them in a box?
No, the raffle prizes. They will all be set up. But what happens is the end of the evening, you can't win money. So what happens is at the end of the evening, whatever chips you have left, they'll turn those into raffle tickets. Okay. And those raffle tickets will be drawn, and they'll get some of the good raffles.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. So it's a fun night, and the important part is that it helps the senior center. So I urge everybody to come down to see what's happening. It's a fun night. You can buy the tickets at the senior center now or at the gate also.
So it is, I'm looking at, it's at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Okay.
Right.
and then it goes to
Goes to about 9 or 10.
2, 3 in the morning.
Yeah, well, that's I'm there till 2 or 3 in the
Yeah,
morning.
okay. It is really a fun evening, and you're going to have, like you said, refreshments there, and desserts and all kinds of things. So,
Right.
you know, really for the money is fantastic.
It is. And
And
it's for
it-
a good cause.
And like
For
you
a good
said,
cause.
if you wear Western wear,
That's right.
you get
That's right.
extra
you
play money. So
Wear
that's
your
good.
boots and your hats.
Yeah. Now, you know, like you said, you've been part of the sponsorship for 3 years. What is it that brings you to the senior center? What do you know, what do you like about it there? And besides Shirley, of
I was going
course.
to say, isn't that obvious?
Yes.
Surely, yes. We just love interacting with the seniors. They're very interesting. We love to hear the stories. We like to help.
Yeah. And as Shirley, as you have said before, all the different folks that have helped you out over the years, you know, a lot of the people that
Sure.
we know you've brought on before. The thing is, the senior center vets them.
Right,
And you
right.
really look at, you know, is this a reputable company? Is this really going to benefit
Oh,
the
absolutely.
folks?
You know, one of our major programs at the senior center is resources.
Yes,
And so
yeah.
if the staff, or myself or the staff can't help somebody, whatever their needs are,
Mm-hmm.
we need to have people like Lori in the community that we know that we
Yeah.
can turn our seniors over to. So that's what's important.
Yeah, and it's a great resource. I know, you know, people move into this community all the time. They may not know about it,
Right.
but it's right down the street. And,
Right down the street, come on. We have great classes. We have lunch program.
Yes.
We have wonderful, wonderful volunteers, which if you have a few hours on your hand a week, please contact us. We can
Yes.
always use volunteers for our Meals on
Yeah.
Wheels program, in our kitchen, at the phones. Please let us know.
Yeah, definitely. So again, casino night is this Saturday at 6 o'clock at the Florence Sylvester. If you'd like to go, you can just show up and get your tickets there and have a great, great evening, and maybe you'll win some prizes, but either way, you're going to help out the senior center. You're going to have fun, and you'll get to see Shirley in her little dance hall girl
That'll
uniform.
be it. That's
Yes.
worth seeing right there.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Good to
Okay.
see you again,
Thank
Lori.
you. Good to
take
see you
care,
as well.
and we'll see you again. We'll
Thank
be
you,
right
Kat.
back.